So I thought today what we would do is we would do a little review of color theory, just to kind of get us thinking in sort of the wavelength and frequency of color, right? So color is light. If there's no light, we can't see color. And the color that we see is determined by the wavelength and frequency of that electromagnetic energy of the light. And of course, there's all sorts of electromagnetic energy out there. There's energy that we can't see, a lot of it, right? But there is this beautiful array of colors and electromagnetic energy that we can see, and we call that the visible color spectrum. So at the bottom end of the visible color spectrum is red. Red has the longest wavelength and the slowest frequency of the visible color spectrum, okay? And then comes orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, which is kind of a purplish color, okay? And then violet is at the top. So violet has the shortest wavelength and the fastest frequency. And you've probably heard of infrared light, right? And ultraviolet light. So infrared is just at the bottom, just beyond the visible spectrum, right? Light spectrum, and ultraviolet light is at the top, right? Just beyond the visible color of violet, okay? So in order to see all these beautiful colors that are in our world, there has to be in the light that's illuminating these objects that wavelength and frequency of that particular color.